So the question is, do you believe that society forces men to suppress their true feelings and emotions? Like for example, if there is a case or situation, if the man tries to express himself, he's seen as weak or not man enough. And therefore sometimes they act it out in a violent manner when all these emotions are suppressed.
Well, yes I do.
Due to the question that you put out there, I do get the point that society itself does not imprint that you should express yourself as a man. And if you do express yourself like emotionally and spiritually contact with a female, them believe as if man enough, and also you treat a woman. But to be honest, it is more nice as a female when a guy can express himself, and a society itself make it look as if it is weak, but it's not. It's kind of really cute to be honest. So that's my thought on it.
Yes, to an extent, society kind of force that to the way how society, cultured, how people are cultured. In a sense, give you a perfect example. For instance, if you see a girl and you step to her and she don't like you, you're a pervert. But you see if she like you, everything is all good. Because you don't want to be considered a pervert, you might tend to not step forward and express yourself. So that is like one example. You understand? So but there's a whole broad spectrum of that. Yes, where men are supposed to ask question or answer question in a certain frame, basically.
Some man like when they cry in front of female,
It's up to you as a man to know. You have to be confident in yourself and just know, say, yes, this is me and this is how I do things. And when you do a thing a certain way, you're supposed to stand up behind it and say, this is the way I do it. So as a man, you're supposed to be authentic in yourself to know, say, you can express your views, how you see it. You know, have argument to back it. So yes, to the question where you ask, yes.
Oh, make sure you subscribe,
Society does, we socialize as a society, we socialize our boys to be tough.
Some beat woman to express them feelings.
I believe say they fi slap woman, some woman fi get slapped. And some woman lie, some woman will lie. Some believe say some man express their feelings by trying to slap. Yes.
Society force that, yes.
If they cry, they are deemed to be weak. If they express any emotions of love or warmth, they are also accused of being weak or being sissy. So society culturally always socialize our boys. In my view, we do, whether wittingly or unwittingly, force them to suppress their feelings, and in turn that suppression manifests itself sometimes violently, where one fails to exhale or able to express themselves truly, will result in some level of adverse behavior.
Man express them feelings by woman good, nice things to express them feelings. So I think in society a force man to do whatever. Man do whatever that please them.
I have to laugh about that. Yeah, because when they say express, the true role of a man is being belittled. You find that women are taking more of the male role in the household. So really and truly, young men are growing up seeing women in charge more than a man. So when they have their feelings and want to react, they're going to rethink before they even open their mouth. So I believe that society is really putting dampering a man's role, but not unless men in general truly understand what their role is. Then I believe that once they truly come to understand and society start to let them know that okay, it's okay to let out whatever you have inside.
Yes, I believe so. I believe that over the years men are expected to be tough and strong and to withhold their emotions. So yes, I definitely believe that society asks men to act tough. So they manifest their feelings through acts of violence.
Do you find it sexy when a man is not afraid to express himself?
Yes.
Most definitely. I mean, communication is key, and if you're able to show emotion, that only shows that you're a human being.
Them say don't make a fool of yourself and don't make a mess. So when you come on to the part where yourself here go express, just do it at the best. Something like chicken best dress, nevertheless. Yeah. So right now I just express myself lyrically. That's how we do it. That's how we go by the Market Street. No lines, no repeat. Expressing myself on the beat. You see it? I'm out.
You can't depend on one thing. You might think about this and work. Big up the young people that work down at the call center, get a little money, and you probably still live with your mama, so you're not paying the bills. You understand? So when you get your money, you have to invest it and you have to turn it. If you don't have none to invest, nothing wrong with take a little loan. The amount of loan me take. Me take a loan and start. My grandfather dead in 2015. My grandfather dead. And my grandfather used to raise hog. You see me crave uncle him, because I have two deportee uncle, Jesus Christ, Mark and Trevor. Jesus, I worst thing them in the world ever see. I'm not afraid to talk. I kill this thing them the world ever see. I swear to God, I'm sorry I go for them at the airport when they get deported. I'm sorry them. I should have left them out of Norman man, make junk on them. God no. I'm a family, I love them, but then kill is bad.